Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off auto brightness in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings. Then go to display and brightness, and here one option available, auto brightness. Just to turn it off, okay, so that you can set brightness manually. If you have already turned on auto brightness, if you are trying to set brightness level, if you would like to increase brightness level, it will not be fixing at that particular level, okay, because your phone will automatically adjust the brightness level based on the outside light conditions, okay. After some time the brightness will be changed according to the outside light conditions, okay. You cannot set brightness level at your desired brightness, okay. So for this purpose, just to turn off auto brightness so that you can set your brightness level at any desired point, okay. So here I set it to this level, okay. So in this way you can easily turn off auto brightness in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.